Hello everyone, welcome back. On today's video, we are going to talk about everything you need to know about federal learning. It's no secret that global artificial intelligence market is booming at lightning speed. The market growth is going at a strategic annual growth rate of 38.1%. Tech giants like Apple and Google are accumulating data with machine learning to build thrilling AI models. One such recent advancement in the AI and ML field is federated learning. What is federated learning? Federated learning is a decentralized form of machine learning to train AI models without letting anyone see or access your data. It helps you unlock information for feed new AI application and prevent sensitive data such as personal identification information from getting compromised. Why use federal learning? This technology explores different data challenges that come up with training at the edge. For instance, training a machine learning or deep learning algorithm would typically requires you to centralize all your training data in one source. This may give birth to data privacy and traceability concerns. Federal learning is a decentralized way to model training instead of sending the data to the model. It sends the model to the data, and this minimizes data concerns, networks, bandwidth requirement, and data traceability risks. What are the benefits of federal learning? Federal learning is an emerging data in the machine learning and deep learning space. It is already providing significant benefit over traditional and centralized machine learning approaches. The key benefits of federated learning includes data security. Keep the training datasets on the device so that a data pool is not required for the AI models. Real-time continual learning. Improve AI models using client data without the need to aggregate data for continual learning. Hardware efficiency. The approach uses a less complex hardware since federated learning modules won't require one complex central server to analyze data. Data diversity. In addition to data security, avoid challenges like network unavailability in the edge services for merging datasets from different services. So this is everything you need to know about federated learning. If you have any question or a project to discuss, talk us through directly. We will provide you the best answers possible. Don't forget to like and share the video. Thank you.